To me, the epitome of being noble is caring, as illustrated in the Good Samaritan story. This story motivated me to design a system to build resources and financial liberty for people to help themselves and others. Many people rely on jobs to grow security for themselves and giving to others. But because of technology, we need less and less labor to produce all the goods and services people will buy. And we have been paying less for labor as a percent of gross domestic product for decades. But capital invested in a portfolio of stocks has done very well for decades, better than bonds or money in a bank. Owning bonds is like you being a bank and loaning directly to businesses, not loaning to the bank so that they get their cut. Owning a diversified portfolio of shares in companies around the world historically has done even better than loaning money to those companies. Those firms would not borrow unless they expect the money to help build their company value faster than the interest cost that they pay. That is why the equity lines rise faster, though with more volatility. A traditional investment account can help you become financially secure. It works by growing the cash investments you make through investment returns. And what is stored in the available funds can be used today or later to pay expenses. Wealthy people do this. They live on investment returns from their capital and invest more when they can, rather than live on wages. Remember, the earned or wage income we saw is declining in importance to the economy. Adding a checking account with bill pay can integrate your daily finances with the wealth management. You can pay bills directly from the checking account. The investment funds can serve as a personal endowment to cover some portion of your bills. It is best to set a budget to be covered by investments as some percentage of the assets in the investment account, say 5 to 6% per year. This is so we can expect the amount and budget to grow over time, but pay some of your bills so you can see progress on meeting goals. Charities we work with call this a working endowment, but you too can gradually endow payment of more and more of your budget this way. It helps a lot and is motivating to visibly measure and manage progress on meeting your financial goals. Suppose we start with meeting just one obligation out of average monthly investment returns. Would it help if your regular income did not have to cover one bill? Lower expenses because your earned income does not need to pay them can seem like a raise in pay. Your investment account is there to help solve financial problems. With large amounts of investment, or over a long time, it can solve big problems like retirement. But even with shorter times and less money, it can still solve smaller problems, like paying one bill each month. Choose one bill for your investment account to cover. You can pay out of your account about 0.5% of account value per month, 6% per year. This works especially well if you are investing additional money each month. This is the working endowment investment account plus bill pay we saw earlier, but with one simple addition. Here at the bottom is a financial safety net function integrated with the wealth management service. We call this the ShareGro Integrated Financial Services Platform. It collects from all accounts in proportion to the assets in those accounts, and gives this as an equal amount of periodic regular cash flow back into all accounts. The total sharing percentage plus the cost of our management fees are near the bottom of typical registered investment advisor fees. You could view the financial safety net part of the system to be a free service. It works for us because we think you will like this elegantly simple service so much that you will tell others about it. It fits with our low-cost online technology-driven service and with our low-cost indexing-based portfolio management approaches. To get started in the ShareGro Integrated Financial Services Program, please click the link below. Doing so will also provide access to additional training and tools to help you meet financial goals of your choice. Thank you. Happy investing. May you build financial liberty for yourself and for those you love.